Baka bigyan.
Matalino, mapagmahal sa magulang, at higit sa lahat, isang napakasipag na guro sa pampublikong paaralan. Without much further ado, let's all welcome our panawing pandangan, Sir Wilmar Malyari Mariano. Palakpakan tayo.
Thank you, Ma'am Ryan, for that kind words. Kaya pong introduction, balambisan na akong mga aga. Thank you so much. To our Honorable Barangay Captain, Mr. Ernesto B. Pangan, I think he's downstairs. To, along with his counselors, to the PDA officers headed by the PDA President, Tita Noymita Beltran, to the very industrious, smart, beautiful, reka ko nga mestra, the whole teaching faculty staff of Santiago Elementary School, their remarkable and very undisputable principal, Miss Leonora Mariano Miguel, to the graduates, parents, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, a bright, happy, and wonderful evening to all of you. When I was asked to be one of your speakers in your school, I was really apprehensive. I am not quite sure if I say yes or if I say no. Pero ninupuwari ako to refuse ne. Ninupuwari ako to turn down these wonderful people who invited me, who never doubted inviting me tonight in your commencement exercises. In tutuna po nini, I am not a graduate of Santiago Elementary School. I got my elementary diploma from Santa Cruz Central Elementary School. But I'm proud to say that I have spent my 5 years of elementary years in this school, and Santiago Elementary School has given me so many memorable experiences in my life, which I will never ever forget. The moment I was informed about being a part of your graduation program, I suddenly realized that time flies swiftly. Bala mo kapilan ko pa lulubing eskwela ngayon ni Aldoldo mag-aaral. Makisalamuha ka rin kakyalong habang abayan ng miyayaliwang kalokwan in childhood days. And now, I'm here speaking before you and sharing you what I have. Anya pong pakisabihan na ako ng principal, Ma'am Miguel, yung kanakong tita, about being your guest of honor. Sabi na, I was one of the choices of the PDA officials. Sabi ko kaya Antini, ay tita ako bisa, ot naman ako. Rugo po ta panistida ako ding tao. Pota sabihan to, ot naman yung king wada, ala na waring aliwa. Saka feeling ko ako pa deserving para king makanyan. Pota nang mikwalta ako ka rin yung kukwanan, ako po kaya. Ot after kong sinabi kay tabigla king ikit-mitas metong akile, at ikit ko lang mga taram ng lawe. Saka na sinabing, ay loko, nano kawarikin palagay mo. Teacher ka, permanente ka obra, biyasa ka at kadakal mo achievements. Nano pa ito. Though I was in fear that people might criticize me being your guest of honor, anya pong sinabi na itaayisip kong bigla. O ita naman ni tita ko ansan tita kumesugat ka rin lawe na nandin. Ya pa rin yung tawong laging proud ka ako. Then I told her, o sige, misip ka tapane, lawin ko ako. Sabi na, sige, isipan mo until tomorrow, kasi po tapuntanda na ka din PTA officers king Baleo. The following day, minisip na ako man tong bagya. Sabi ko, iya ko talaga bisa, potantini, potantita. Then when tita asked me again, o nano, okay na, ana. Ika nang papakisabi ko karela. Ana po. Tapos, I just found myself saying yes. Sabi ko, sige, di sana ako. For no clearer reason, I just said yes. Maybe because God wanted me to do this. Because I have prayed for it. And it's something I needed to do. Now, finally, I am here, being your guest of honor. Graduates, I want to share to you all the lessons in my life which have made me who I am right now. I hope hanggang makapakanano ay inspired na kayo. When I was at your age, people used to praise me. Pupuryanda ako niya kasing edad na kayo. Kasi lagi kong honor student. Simula grades 1, 2, 3, and 4, ako'y mumunang mumukyat king stage. Kasi din lagi kong first honors. My relatives, friends, especially my parents, were always so proud of me. So maisip ko at inassume ko na, karas kong grade 5 and grade 6, ako na yung first. Kasi simula grade 1 hanggang grade 4, akong first honor eh. Akala ko kasi it was just that easy to get an award or a medal. Bala ko makanta mukha easy. During my elementary days, I always dreamed of being the best. I strived hard and managed to be consistently on top of the class. But I did not get all what I wanted. I thought the sky is always blue. Minsan pala it's gray. And when the sky is gray, life gets difficult. Nagkamali ako. Hindi pala ganun kadali ang makakuha ng award o ng isang medalya. I was wrong. Kasi when I was in grade 5, my teacher, now my co-teacher in the district, Mrs. Teresa Calayat, told me that I was no longer the first honor. Sabi na ako, Mac, Wilmar, aliwanay kang first honor. Of course, as a child, I felt a painful pinch in my heart. And it was really, really painful. Nakasakit. I cried. May ngaga ako. Sobrang gaga. Sabi na pa ka na ako, Ma'am Tek, at tatandanan ko, I clearly remember. Talagang auntie yan, na nakamangaga, Ana. It was not explained to me further why suddenly I am no longer the first honors. Lalo kung may ngaga at may nangis. Kay ba't akakit ko lang din kaklase ko, pisisitsitan da ko. Panis naban at kalyan. Sabihan da pa ako. Buri na yata habang biyayang first honor, sada. Lalo ko rugong may magwala until they cannot control me anymore at delada na ako kay principal's office king sobrang gaga. I was screaming kasi ako talaga atanggap na aliwanay aking first. I remember then bigla yung tinatang itita ko. Siguro Pepa Yaus there. She came to the office and she saw me I was crying out loud. Tapos sabi na, Toknang kaken, mo papaltong talunan ko. Those were her words. And then I saw Sir Dante Regala. Sabi na kanako, stuna anak, Mali mo king grade 6, ika ng first ulit, ana. Ngayon mong grade 5, second ka, pero po ng grade 6, mali mo, semasa mo. First honor na kana. At that time, yan po yung grade 6A teacher. So medyo tinok lang na ako man, siguro pinggawa na akong first honor ako. Pero the days after that day where Ma'am Tek told me that I am no longer the first honors were even more painful. Kasi people have been telling me, makakaliwa na pala yung first na yata. As nakasakit. Kasi at a very young age, I felt like I was deprived. So days passed, and my tita asked me, sabi na bisa ka mag-transfer aliwang eskwela. Sabi ko, bisa ako. Lumipat na ako na ako bisa Santiago. So, from Santiago Elementary School, from grades 1 to 5, nilipat na ako ng Santa Cruz Central Elementary School, anyang grade 6 ko. Anya namang mag-grade 6 ko Central, lalo-lalo kung may pakarok. I clearly remember, 43 kaming may kakaklase, pang 43 ko. Central School then had 7 sections in the grade 6. Anam lang po ring section na ng grade 6, King Central. Section A up until Section G. So, dingat siya King Section A, deta talagang biyasa. At uling siyempre, dati kong honor student, King Small School, kadatang ko Central, Section A kukuno. Onen King sobrang kahiligan kong milipat, miras ko karing biyasa, o ita 43 kami, pang 43 ko. Ay, isip ko, nung palangay na ako linipat, petonayan ko na mo na mas deserving ko to be the first honors. E na sana miras king ang titang sitwasyon. Kasi karas kong grade 6, puros kalokwan mo yung pengawa ko. E ako may negara lesyon, magkat kong class, mga bagsak ko, saka ako pamalitan din grades ko king card. Kasi marine, ako po takadatang ko Santiago, dati yung first honor, kaya ba't yung grade na Central ang tita alad. O ito yung advisor kong grade 6, tabalo nung matatanda na ako pa po, Miss Ofelia de la Cruz, ikwa na akong pika saman. Kilala na ako pa kaya until now. When I was in high school, still the same. First year, I was in the lowest section, section H. Kasi bukod king mababala din grades ko ng grade 6, late enrollee ko pa. Oy, tamiras ko tatalwing section. Yapa mo rin, katamaran, king pamag-aral, kating classes, libot, lakwartsa, alam wala na akong ganang mag-aral. Kara second year, medyo may upgrade ko, section F na ako. Siyempre, kasi mababa ko pa rin grade ng first year, kanya hanggang ako paging F. Pero at that time, medyo kaka-close ko na rin ka rin section A second year. Incidentally, rin ang king section A, ilapin na rin kaklase ko king central, anyang grade 6 ko. So sabi ko king sarili ko, samasan ko pa ngayon yung second year. Bisa ako mag-section A po ang third year, buri ko lang kaklase rin ang kaklase ko central. Semasan ko, kahit pa paano, umiras na ako ng section A karas kong third year. Ang problema, ako buri rin kaklase ko. Kadatang kong section A, abalang makisabi ka ako. Pisisitsitan, dana ako na naman, ako buri kaklase. Uling pinating kong history yan yung grade 6. Nano kong ang pangawan central, so ako like. At kanumiras ko, ako naman deserve. So, peboren ko na. Kanyang ala na lang choice, mapilang bulan, magdili-dili ko, realize na siguro, pekya bayan ta na ako. Pa-plastic ang ako yata. Then I reached 4th year. Kanita medyo may tinukong bagyan yung 4th year na ako. I found some friends. Naging close na ako din bagyan ka rin kaklase ko. Like da na ako. Pero sometimes ako pa rin buri, lalo na pagtetera, kaya ako buri ka grupo. Then I graduated high school. Life in high school, I must say, was a roller coaster ride. Masaya yung high school. Makasora, malungkot, seryoso. Pero yung memories kapilan man mga kalingwan. Ka-graduate kong high school, pengako ko king sarili ko. If I will be given the opportunity to get to college, I will do my best and make the most out of it. Kanita patunayan ko karelangan, ating kong kararasnan masanting ang kinabukasan. So after high school graduation, ito problema na naman. Makanano kurugo kayang mag-aral college when my parents cannot afford it. Itatang ko mandarolya mo kasalukuyan na pang magigisan tawan. Imama ko kanya mong bali. So talagang masakit. Alang aldong nga kuminisip nung makanano ko istong nga may kapag-aral college. Anyang malapit na yung pasukan at ding halos kaklase ko high school may kapag-inquire na lang rin colleges and state universities. Minta ko rugong lanok-lanok kang tita baby. Sabi ko, tita bala mo bisa akong mag-aral. Saka na ako rugong may nangis. Ginaga ko kasi hopeless na ako. Ako balo makanano kung makapag-aral. Kasi alang tumustos king studies ko. Agad-agad na yung king wine cellphone na saka na inawo si Tito Jess kaya taging Santa Ana. Kitang na nung makananong mag-enroll kaya taging Pampanga Agricultural College, king magalang. Kasi kanong mura, biyasa na rin mestra, at itong education ng kinwa mo, sigurado kang may pasar at mabiyasa kang gusto. So, oita, karinda ako pepuntalan. Problema ko, wala na ako mampamasayin yung takarin. Si Diana kitatang kumutakatakaano ka rin. Alaya ragong pera. So, tinext kay Tito Boy kay taking San Fernando manyad kong pamasayi. Luckily, at masyado yung maganakat, Dinya na ako pati pag-entrance ko, kanya may kapag-enroll ko Pampanga Agricultural College. When I was in college, I have experienced all worst experiences one could ever have. Mag-aral kang alang laman at san, alang pera, siyang panyali mong kapirasong tinate. Bisa kang muli, ala kang pamasay, makalawot. Misakitan ka, ala kang asumbungan uling sobra lawot, kita ko pating magalang. Atin bayaran eskwela, bayad nongan ikanangali. Pangayad photocopy, nungay nakamandam alakang aquating test. Bayad Kenny, bayad ka rin. Iningan aranasan ko. Mag-text ka bale, manyad ka, ilaman rubo, sasainsing, alang pamangan, alang pera. Pero pegsagan ko, kasi I am nowhere to run. Ako mo at ako mo'y pwedeng sumawag king sarili ko. I need to stay tough. I need to be determined. Kasi pengako ko king sarili ko, balikan ko na detang tao may niwalang ala kong dasnan, king biyeko at mapariwarako mo. These failures make me stronger. True, what I have shared to you are my sad experiences. But these experiences did not bring me down because I did not want them to drag me down. I managed to survive the rainy season dahil alam ko na sa lahat ng sakripisyo ko, maaabot ko ang aking pangarap. I have spent minutes, hours, days, months, and years of my college life doing all the efforts to study hard and to become a better student. Gawa ko yung gagagyo ko to learn so many things. May nigaral ko at may tsaga. Sinikanan ko yung loob ko at sinabi ko ang sarili ko, Mac, aliwanay kitang dating pangot sa andaring tao. I am now a strong, brave, confident, and smart person. And truly, those who sacrifice and those who work hard for their dreams are the ones being blessed by God. Mayari kong college when everybody else thought I would not. I graduated with flying colors when everybody else thought I don't get serious with my studies. I was a consistent, duly recognized student every semester. Got good grades and has a well-remarkable record in class during my graduation. And luckily, I was even the best student teacher of the year of the Pampanga Agricultural Colleges. Anyang mayari na akong college, luck smiled at me. Agad kong menakit obra. The Magalang Christian Ecumenical School Incorporated has absorbed me and wanted me to be a part of their faculty. So ako naman overwhelmed ko kasi fresh graduate ko pa mo atin ng skwelang bisang kumakako. May katuro ko ka rin na ayaliging metong a school year at dakal kuwa balu at dakal experience sa masanting. Pero sinawa ako, sabi ko yung sarili ko, ako pwede ang gamukin eh. Kasi October, ma-board exam na, kailangan manakit kung mas masanting ang obra. So after a year of that private school, I applied at Balibago, Angeles City. There, I was hired as a Korean teacher in the International Language Center at Systems Plus College Foundation. Meg-enjoy ko kung pamanuro ka rin Korean. Agad kong metanggap kasi board passer na ako that time. At uling halis kasing edad ko laring Koreanong estudyante ko, lagi kaming lulwal at mamag-travel. Masaya, enjoy. Only after a year lamang sinawa na ako na naman. Ay isip ko lamang na healthing gagawan ko. I feel like there's lacking. Lamang atin go lang king gagawan ko. Meg-resign ko ulit at although masakit kasi lakwan ko lang din Korean students, I needed to go. After teaching in the Korean school, meron ka rin kaluguran ko ikat na ako mag-apply king call center kita king Teletech. Sabi ko, ako bisa kasi sabi na adik lang rin king call center. Sabi na yoyo sila nga lang patugot. Temo traya na mali mo view mo, hanggat ala kang gagawa. So February, nag-apply ko king call center. At nga kung gino po masyado yung magana kabala nga pala yun kung matatanggap na ako man. O may tanggap ko king call center. Kaya lang tutupin, na ako man nag-droga pero may lupa kong addict. Kasi schedule ko alas 12 ng bengi hanggang alas 9 ng abak. Sabi ko ka rin kano, ako bala ng panyabihan ko, kabut ko lang pakisabihan. O naging masanting king call center ako king sarili ko, kawuli mo matutod na ka, wala na kang problema. Potang bengi na mag-aral na, ay lumog na ka na naman ulit, mag-obra ka. Siguro mga 4 months kuha niyang paulian na dako lubaw ni tita ko. Para king parang na ako. At that time kasi sasawa ni tita ko. Kakapilit na mag-apply ko public school. At so kung maging magalang, tuturo ko ka rin burina magparang na ako. Banta ka numiras na ako kaya ni lubaw at nakaturo na ako. O nang pilit kayong tatakasan kasi ako bisagin public school. I hate lesson plans. I hate forms. And I don't like kids in the public school. Kasi gano'n rin anak yung public school, mga siyas labuntok, ang pong mareklamo na rin pengari. Bawal na ka nung babarugan. Sabi ko nga tita ko, yung bisan turo public school po, makapatay akong anak. O ning pepa sa out niya kang tito boy, kaya taking San Fernando, panustusan mo na yan. So nga pa may bisangin niya, kung nesopan, bahala na yung biyena, parang kendili na. So, ang sa ngalaking loob ko, uling schedule ko, alas 12 ng bing hanggang alas 9 ng abak, may parang ko hanggang puyatan ko magpas kong papel kay taking central. So, ito, kaya rin ko king call center, nga kung gino na naman, Isun talagang para yake kayo, yake ka. At isun para ka rin hanggang ngayon mo burin, dala na ka rin. June last year, I started teaching at Remedios Elementary School permanently. I am an official member of the Lubao West District. Onen kakaumpisa ako rugo Remedios, may ka-experience kong kapilan man ako akalingwan. At tatandanan ko brigada eskwela maglinis kong classroom. Kasi binyede ka akong classroom kay Remedios, sana ka rin at reng luklukan, lasak-lasak la. So may linis ko, makapashort ko, linis. At hindi tanga pengari, may ngutang yaketang sipin kong room, mesra, No, karoon niya po yung classroom ng Sir Wilmark Kenny. Ay kiniya pong lele pong talanya po maglinis yada. So ikit na ako, anak pa rin at bulusan ko maglinis po. Anak ako. Pag-i-house mo na yung Sir Wilmark, pa-enroll kaya mo yung anak ko, Sabi ko grade 5A ya po. 1. Pagkibili ya po yung card na king lamesa, okay na po kanta. Ausan mepin Buri ka nga kasabi. Kasi pa-enroll ka yung anak ko, basta na yung anak ko na siya sa buntok. Ausan mepan. Alin po, sige, bili ya po yung card na kin-enroll na po, kanta okay na po. Ausan mepin, kakulit mo naman. Ausan mo na yung boyan, niya walitan. So sabi ko kayo, sir, excuse me, I am Mr. Wilmark Mariano. I am the teacher of grade 5A students. I am a new teacher at Remedios Elementary School. Ipili niya po yung card na guest, ulit siya ilagay yun sa kanay po enroll. Tapos sabi na, bala ko kasi grade 6 ka pa, pasensya na ka. Anak ka pa mo ka rin na tayo tsura. So sabi ko king sarili ko, aba, I will not let this judge me merely by looking at my face. I will not let them judge me because of my gender. Ali-uling ang tini ko, ang tita na yung isipan daw. Karas July, may kasinukuan contest kaya taging Remedios. Mag-volunteer ko, sabi ko kang mama mo, kang principal, mama, kung turo ka rin anak. Buri ko po, manyang butla sa masan ke po. O sige, So, di na tanging contest. Actually, akalaban ka kayo sa Santiago Elementary School, pero may sambot kayo, sorry na lang. 21 schools sa laban-laban, ikaw yung nag-champion, Remedios Elementary School. So, palakpak na ko man, nandiyan ka plastic ka. Asang bunda ka tita ka rin, Tapos, pang-October, may ka District School Press Conference, Kenzario. Sabi ko nga, mama mo, ma'am, lumaban tamo pong Zaryo. Gawan tayo pong Zaryo na ng eskwela. Gawan tayo pong English. Aliyan na Tagalog yung dati ng gagawin. Kaya pag pinanyang pahina, uling wala kayong budget. Kaya patuloy nga lang makasulat articles. Hanggang kami kayong sakto mo mag-comply kami yan, kaya man yung book. Ay ma'am, gawan tayo po, willing ko pong mag-volunteer. Mag-solicit tapo ba tayo nga gawa. So, ginawa ko nga na gano'n. Araw, Aldot Bengi, ginawa kong articles. Ansang nano pang gagawan ko, bagya akong galos, sisulat kong articles. Kambeta rin nga ba akong mesa na medyo sinopanda ko. Abo umiya in the royal pen. Yabi niya po itang lagyo na ng Zaryo Miskwela. At luckily, may nyambog na kayo na naman na niyang contest. So, kahit papaano, balo ko yung sarili ko yung Remedios, na akong paborin kasi kahit papaano pwede na akong pagmaragol. At retang taong judge da, gusto nga kakit da ako. Sabi na lupa kong grade 6 at balamay ak manestra, kabudkululob Remedios, at least patunayan ko karela, ansang makapakanano, atin kong aboga. And I owe everything to all the people behind this success. Please, allow me to thank several people who have contributed a lot in my endeavor as a person whose dream is to become successful someday. To all my friends, relatives, parents, mentors, and even my detractors, my ever sincerest gratitude to all of you. Life would never be so meaningful without your presence. To my cousin Ating Lay, thank you for always encouraging me every time I feel like giving up. You are so kind and understanding. To my cousin Ating Maylisa, thank you for the so many times that you showed me how much you appreciate even the smallest thing I accomplish. Thank you for the support and thank you for always listening whenever I need someone to talk to. Ating Marivit, although you are in the States pursuing your job as a teacher, you never let your absence to be a hindrance in supporting me. Your words and pieces of advice gave me the strength to face all the devastations that came along my way. You, Ating May and Ating Lay are my real sisters. To my Tito Jeng, sana chewy Tito Jessie, you don't know how much you inspire me. You are someone I look up to. Your sincere efforts and inexhaustible patience in helping the barrio to move forward is truly indispensable. Your efforts will always tell your critics that you are above them. Tandanan mo detang mamabagye ka and keep on assassinating your character are the ones below your feet. To my ever dearest Tita Tess and Tita Press, I know how much you sacrifice for your families. I know you don't just choose to work overseas for your own sake, but for all of us as well. I'm very thankful kayong meging dara ko. My Tita Beth, makanalo da kang pasalamatan kingega na ganon. How can I ever thank you for like more than an aunt? You have become a mother to me. Those moments that you have defended me, for shielding me to those who wanted to pull me down, despite my shortcomings. Words can never express my gratitude to you. Thank you for helping me out in fulfilling my dreams. Now I understand why you have wanted me to be a part of this profession. Dakala salamat kaya katita. Ikay kayabi ako kita magtupad ka rin pangarap ko. You know how proud I am, ikang tita ko. To my Tito Boy, ko balo makananod akang pasalamatan kingega na ganon. Ali mong financial, nung aliway tang thought na may niwala kang eda kabiguan. I still vividly remember ang ikang minuna akong sibyanan kinta nga pasar ko kin board exam. Sabi ko, Tito, I passed the licensure exam. And you replied, sabi mo, congrats. Ma, I have never doubted that you will fail us. Sinabi mo na kapilan man, mo inisip na biguan ta kayo at siraning tiwalang binyeyo kakong Tita Be para ayan yung papag-aral yo ko po. You may not be very vocal, but your presence speaks louder than any word in this world. Tito, pasalamatan da ka kasi sinansad mo kuwang gagindulo. Mo ko paboren. Pasensya na ka king sakit abuntok abinya ko kaya kayo. Thank you so much for everything. Kasana sa asawang sa asaw kaya kami nga. To my parents, Pa, Ma, balo yun na in every minute of my life, I dreamed of becoming successful. Because I have wanted us to have a good life. I have wanted to compensate all those times that I have never become a good son. If I could only turn back time, ibalik ko itang panahon na ako pepakit kaya kayo makanano da kayong kaluguran. Pa, anjang pang minsan natin ko nga sasabi kaya ko, I want you to know that all I wanted to do is to please you. I have always wanted to become a good child. Pero as na ako karakalpa magkamali. Pero kapilan man mo kupi ka rin eh. Tinuring mo ko the way you treated my sisters. And I am sure you are very happy to hear this. Proud ko, ikang tatang ko. Ma, ing sakripisyo mo bilang inang kapilan man sukat at atawaran. Anjang minsan mi kukontra ka to, kaluguran ka more than you'll ever know. Istong malungkot ka, mimwa ka or mipapati kayong papa, may bugkong mas pakasalo. Salamat ikang meging inang ko. At atandanan ko pa niyang minsan kanita minta ko ang Tita Be. Kitang na, no ka rin niya imamuha no. Sabi ko, at suyata karidaro sing makipanagtalyang apalya. Sabi na at may joke ya pa at atandanan ko. Gusto yan loko. Banta po tang mag-guest speaker ka, tinakambalong sabiyan. Ako lubos isipan at ako expect na datang paling panahon na ito na ipagmaragol ko rin kay ngari ko kingarapan daring marakalataw. Aliwa mo rin pengari ko nung aliwa rin taong sinaop ka ko. Ring pinsan ko, ring kaluguran ko, ang poritita ko ang bong pito. To my sisters, Shane and Joy, continue to study hard. Yapin mo yan yung katangitanging yaman na pwede tamong ipagmarabol, karing aliwa, at kapilan man eda akwa. You are my inspirations to strive harder and face all the insuperable challenges of life. Kaluguran ba kayo? To all my friends, elementary friends, sana show kayo Kenny, cannot mention all of you. High school friends, padiretang may apika ako. College friends, Magalang Christian Ecumenical School Incorporated co-teachers. Korean friends, sana to kiyo na ako Korea. And Barrio friends, thank you for the companionship and the times of laughters we have shared together. I love you so much. Kang Kompe, Tay Kompe, Jubes, Mang Makmak, Etay, Alan, Mervena, Madam Eileen, thanks for the happy memories we shared together. Tikoy, my childhood best friend. Balo ko alaka, but I may not have told you this before, but I love you so much. I am happy that you are my closest friend. Paboren mo lating taong mapanyira, uling kapilan man ela managumpe. Stay away from those who keep comparing the two of us, because I am me and you are you at katapareho. They just don't know individual differences. Basta ikatabalo ta, we're real good friends. And if there's someone who will always be proud of you, yako ito. Proud ko ka at kaluguran ka. Thanks for being around. To the graduates of this year, continue to cultivate your potentials in order for you to reach your summit. Always thank your parents, pasalamatan nyo ring pengaryo, for their invaluable support they give you. The provisions of love and all the beautiful influences they infuse in you will always be your armament towards success. You might be experiencing the night of your life at times, but don't worry. You will have your day after the night. You will be wounded many times, but turn your wounds into wisdom. You will make mistakes. Some people will call them failures. But you need to learn that failure is really God's way of saying, excuse me, you're moving in the wrong direction. It's just an experience. Just a mere experience. Create the highest, grandest possible vision for your life, because you become what you believe. Hold the highest, grandest vision for yourself. Today, as you live with a diploma on hand, remember the encounters, the good times as well as the bad times you've experienced at Santiago Elementary School that made you a better person. Time will come, you will all go through your own paths, but always look back from where you came from. Bear in mind the promises you made to yourself and others. Keep in contact with those who have touched your lives. Come back and visit your alma mater, Balicaning Santiago Elementary School. Do your best to be an asset of the community, because this is where your talents were developed and your skills were honed. Never say no and never ask what, but rather ask why not, because it is our dream of yesterday that advanced today's prediction for a wonderful tomorrow. Remember to keep your feet on the ground and always stay humble. Have a relatively positive outlook in life and an upright good moral character so that you will have a better, far understanding about life to reach the ladder of success. Gawin nyo ang lahat ng inyong makakaya upang maabot ang inyong mga pangarap. Mag-aral kayo ng mabuti at sikapin maging mabuting mamamayan. Laging isipin na may Diyos na gumagabay sa atin. God's love enables us to live victoriously. Above all, God Almighty, I owe everything to you, O Lord. You are my Savior. You are my Redeemer. I lift your name on high. and I thank you with all the gratefulness in my heart. Maraming salamat at naway magsilbing inspirasyon ang gabing ito sa ating lahat. Indeed, this is the day that the Lord has made, and we will all rejoice in it. Thank you very much, and God bless us all. To God be the glory. Thank you.